In front of me is Motorola Edge 16 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. First of all, you need to open Recorder app that's already on your device and hit Get Started. Now select while using the app and Allow. Finally, use red button at the bottom to start recording and tap on Yes. Now you need to hit Recorder. Tap on Allow Do Not Disturb and hit Allow in the pop-up. Don't worry, it's a one-time thing. After you do this now, you won't ever have to repeat it. Then choose red button, and as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same one. To end it and save it though, click on the square one on the right. Now you can name your recording at the top and hit save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it, and to manage it, use all of those options. You can change speed, move it 3 seconds each way, and put it on the loop. You can also use those 3 dots at the top right corner to check out all of those options and use pen icon. Thanks to it, you can edit your recording. For example, pick a part. I will go with this one, hit trim, and then select undo or save. You can also tap on noise reduction at the top right corner to turn it on or switch it off. I always tap on save as copy just in case. You can pick whatever you want to do. Now, to manage any recording from here, you can also tap on those 3 dots on the right actually, and manage those options. Last but not least, if you want to, you can click on those 3 lines at the top left corner to check out all of those, including settings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!